Hey guys, so I have not posted a video like this before. I've just posted pictures of or videos of my cars when they're done, probably about to sell them. But this is a 1966 Chevrolet K10. It is in very rough shape. It is sitting on 3/4 ton axles. I think that's a corporate 14 bolt. Just starting to tear into it. Obviously, there's no bed, it's all jacked up, a couple extra fenders. So what I've done so far is I pulled the motor out. It has just a small block 350 in it. It's got just a turbo 350 tranny. I don't know if anybody's interested in seeing this thing, but I may do some videos on it, see if anybody's interested in the stuff that I'm doing. I'm cutting up the floors here and the rockers. It's got some little bit of rust right here in the floorboard, but the rest of the floor is pretty solid. Took the gas tank out. I'm going to relocate that into the bed. A little bit of rust over on the driver's side. It is a factory four-wheel drive. It's just a factory half-ton. But again, I don't know if anybody's interested in this stuff, but I'm testing out the baby blue. Maybe want to do that in the whole truck in baby blue. I've done this inner fender well. Sorry, the glare is probably shitty. I got to do the frame, clean all that up. I've patched a bunch of holes in the firewall. Pretty dirty right now. Yeah, it's got a little bit of a lift kit on. I think it's 3 or 3.5 inch lift. Pretty heavy duty bumpers welded into that. Whole bunch of crap. I got to fix some rust spots on that hood. There's the engine right here. There's the passenger door. Get this crap out of the way. But I went through the motor. I didn't really go through the motor, I shouldn't say that. I went through and put all new seals in it, painted it all up. Turned everything over, everything seems to be good. Put a new HEI in it. I'm going to end up putting power steering on it. As right now, it only came with just manual steering, manual brakes. There you can see that was the factory body left. It was just a big steel piece of pipe in there. But the old truck's in pretty good shape. Got these Hummer tires, 16.5. That's got to go. Can't find tires for those things. Took the rear end cover off, cleaned everything out in there, put all new fluid. Wanted to see what the Duplicolor engine enamel, that DE 1634 low gloss, see what that looked like. Does have drum brakes in the rear. Actually looks pretty good. That was about 3 or 4 months ago. Got a couple of holes I gotta fill. See the manual steering box. Does have disc brakes in the front. I think these front hubs came from an I know they came from an International because it says it right there. But I looked up some stuff on it. It's a Dana 44 front, I think, or a 60. I think it's a 44. But it is, the numbers decode to like a 73 Dodge, or I'm sorry, not Dodge, International. So anyway, you can see this is what it looked like. The passenger side looked like. It was a little bit rougher just because the battery sits over there. I took the grill and all that stuff and have already sanded all that stuff down and put it in primer. And then this is what it looks like over here on the passenger side. So we got a long way to go on this thing, but pull the windshield out too, just so I could look at the rust, see if I needed to do any rust repair up there, but it looks actually pretty good. So I just rust encapsulated it with that Duplicolor stuff. Anyway, if you guys are interested in seeing me work on this more and do more to it, just comment down below, hit like and subscribe, and more content, more people that want to see content, I'll put some more videos on it. But I'm gonna put an automatic steering column in there. It came with just the 3 on the tree, but I did find a factory automatic column that I'm going to redo and clean all up, put all new bearings in it, paint it. does have sort of a janky engine mount. I don't know why they would cut the factory engine mounts off. I know it was a 6-cylinder, but it actually is pretty good, pretty decent weld, just not too bad. But anyway, we're going to go through it and see what we can do. Completely rewire it, run all new brakes. We got brand new brakes from Leeds, new master cylinder and booster, with that nickel copper brake lines on it. I think it's got the Rockwell 221 transfer case. You can probably see back there. But anyway, I'd appreciate any comments, any advice, any recommendations. But feel free to comment down below. But I appreciate you guys watching, and hopefully we'll see you soon.